Are you looking for the best portable closets? In this video we will look at some of the best portable closets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. VIPEK V5 Portable Closet Wardrobe. The VIPEK V5 Portable Closet Wardrobe is a heavy-duty clothes rack that features 4 hang rods and 8 shelves. With a load capacity of up to 800 pounds, it is ideal for organizing and creating extra storage space instantly. The closet rack is multifunctional and can hold clothes, accessories, bedding, shoes, and more. Made of high-quality iron, it is sturdy and durable, and easy to assemble. Its dimensions are 68.9-inch l x 15.7 w x 76.4h, making it perfect for use in the bedroom, laundry room, or walk-in closet. What we like: sturdy and durable construction, easy assembly with clear instructions, adjustable shelves for customization, attractive design and color options, provides ample storage space. What we don't like: initial zip tie instructions unclear, may require wall anchoring for safety. Number 2. SONGMICS Portable Closet ULSF03H. The SONGMICS Portable Closet is the perfect solution for keeping your clothes organized and dust-free. Its spacious design provides ample room for hanging coats and dresses, while the 12 shelves accommodate folded clothes and linens. You'll appreciate the sturdy construction, featuring durable metal tubes and a robust fabric cover that can support your items securely. Assembly is a breeze, no tools are needed, so you can set it up quickly and easily. Plus, you can choose to zip it up for protection or roll the door up for easy access when getting ready. What we like: easy assembly, ample storage space, sturdy structure, sleek design, affordable price. What we don't like: can tip over easily, no extra connecting pieces. Number 3. LOKEME Portable Wardrobe Closet. The LOKEME Portable Closet is designed to provide a strong and stable storage solution for your clothes. Its reinforced steel pipes, measuring 19 mm in diameter, ensure that the structure remains upright and secure, preventing any risk of collapse. With ample space, including 3 hanging rods and 6 shelves, you can conveniently organize both hanging garments and folded items. The high-quality non-woven fabric cover helps protect your clothes from dust, keeping them tidy. Plus, the simple installation process, with clearly marked parts and instructions, makes it easy for you to set up your closet without any hassle. What we like: lightweight and portable, easy assembly with instructions, good storage capacity, sturdy design, attractive appearance. What we don't like: small instruction illustrations, limited side pocket availability. Number 4. SORCEDAS Portable Wardrobe Organizer. The SORCEDAS Portable Closet offers generous storage space with its 34.6-inch l x 17.7 w x 66.1h dimensions. It features 4 shelves ideal for organizing folded clothing, socks, and accessories, while 2 hanging rods are perfect for coats and skirts. Constructed with a sturdy metal frame, this wardrobe can support a significant amount of weight, ensuring durability. The high-quality non-woven fabric cover protects your clothes from dust and dirt, making it a practical choice for long-term use. Assembly is straightforward, as each part is numbered, allowing you to set it up with ease. What we like: stylish black design, sturdy metal hanging rack, easy assembly, durable non-woven fabric, maximized storage space. What we don't like: assembly can be time-consuming. Some components may feel flimsy. Number 5. VTRIN Portable Closet Wardrobe. The VTRIN Portable Closet is designed to maximize your storage space while keeping everything organized. With its compact design, this wardrobe fits perfectly in various settings like bedrooms or laundry rooms. You'll appreciate the 2 hanging rods that allow you to hang clothes up to 46.2 inches high, keeping them wrinkle-free. Plus, the 8 shelves provide versatile storage options for items like bags and linens. The detachable cover protects your clothes from dust, ensuring they stay fresh and tidy. With convenient side pockets, you can easily store smaller items, making this closet a practical solution for your storage needs. What we like: convenient and versatile design, lightweight and portable, easy to set up, freestanding, no installation required, ample storage space. What we don't like: instructions could be clearer, some quality concerns,